Hello, hello! Hi babes, my name is Bianca and welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, for this video, I'm doing a little vlog. My boyfriend and I are here in Hollywood. We're staying at the Pali Hotel. It's like just on Sunset. It's a super cute little like boutique hotel. They're part of like Pali House. It's like the Pali hotels. They're like a group or something. I got like a deal and I was like, it's cute, let's do it. We got here kind of late because of traffic, but I really wanted to spend some time by the pool. On our way down, we had lunch at Sweet Green, super basic, but I love it. And then we just checked in and the lobby is so cute. They have a little bar. It's just like, you can really just tell it's like a boutique hotel. It has a lot of like personality. So anyway, so I want to get ready to just like sit by the pool. They said it's heated, so I just kind of want to hang out for a little bit before we get ready to head to our event tonight. It's just like an open house for IKEA. I don't really know how to describe it, but yeah, for now, let's check out the pool. Okay, here's the bathing suit I'm gonna wear. We'll see if I actually keep this in. I wanted to show like the cute little details on this. Like the cute little straps on this are so cute. It's like a black gingham little bathing suit, but I'm gonna put a dress on and then we might get a drink to have by the pool. I'm wearing my little Target dress, by the way. I almost forgot. I have to give you guys a room tour. So this is like the bathroom sink. That's also kind of a vanity. I like the lights here. There's the bathroom light. This is the bathroom, regular bathroom. There's a little robe. And then it's Diptyque soap. So that's nice, obviously. I'm not gonna shy away from using so much product when I shower. Excited for that. And then the TV, I really like the lamps. I think the lamps are cute, and there's like this like little vintage branded phone, but like that's their logo, so they took the time to get their phones branded. A little like directory, that's so cute. And then the bed, it's a king size bed. A little Smeg fridge over here where the snacks are. And then yeah, it's like small, tasteful. There's some teacups in here, cute. Some more personality in the room. And then we got a room that faces the pool, that you can kind of see, and that's where we're gonna go. Oops. He may or may not have seen me. Anyway, okay, we don't have that much time, so we are gonna head to the pool. Finally, I know we already said that. Okay, I'm gonna do my makeup for the event. I don't have that much time, so I've got to speed things up. I've made myself at home, obviously. One thing about me is I'm gonna take advantage of the amenities, so got the robe on. And also, hack, I always use the like mouthwash cups for my makeup brushes when I'm doing my makeup in a hotel and they have these cups, because otherwise, like, I mean, I don't bring in like an organizer, I just throw everything in my makeup bag. So I like need something to help me stay organized when I'm getting ready. So just a fun little hack that I like to use that I recommend. Makeup is done. I actually did a pretty good time, I'm not gonna lie. I started at around like 6:30 and it is 6:58, so the girls get it. They know that that was impressive. My boyfriend, however, not impressed. I think we might actually walk to the event too. It's like under a 20-minute walk, So I think I'm gonna just like check how much it would be to Uber there, just in case. But I'm just putting on all my jewelry, and then I have to do a little outfit check, of course. I feel like the pearls are kind of a lot, but I just really like wearing them. They're like so much of a statement that I love them. I don't know if I want a jacket either. Very unsure. How's my hair? I think that's good. Okay, I'm gonna finish up and then show my outfit, but get my little cuff. I like to mix perfumes, so these are the two that I'm gonna wear tonight. One is a perfume oil that I just kind of do a little bit of this, especially when I'm in a hurry. And I'll throw these in my purse too, just in case. And then this isn't a spray either. It's one of these. Okay, that was probably enough. One is like a little more androgynous, kind of like a little bit masculine, and then the Dior is like pretty feminine, so hopefully that makes for a good mix. Okay, this is the outfit. It's a little matching set from Free People. I thought it was like cute. It's like comfortable and like casual, but like slightly elevated, you know? And then my hair has creases, but I feel like it's okay. I feel like it kind of works. But yeah, I did this really fast, so I hope I look good. Now we gotta go. Well, you guys, Jade made it to his first influencer event. I'm so proud of him. It's honestly nice, just like so that when I'm like describing what they're like, he understands what I mean, like when I describe something. I just wanted him to see like what they're like, just, you know, for when I come home from one and I'm like, this happened or it looked like this. And he's like, oh yeah, you know, I kind of remember. Do you think it'll be your first and only?
I'm sure I'll go to more.
Yes.
Sure I'll go to more.
Did you have a good time?
Yeah, it was nice. It was cool.
I love that. Okay, well, we're gonna go to the bar because we got a free drink and they close in 30 minutes. So we want to kind of like hang out for a minute, but then we'll show you what the little gift baskets were. They were cute. So I think I mentioned that it was an event for IKEA. We have a little free drink card. Gotta use that up. They said that we could also just use it for coffee in the morning, but we all know cocktails are worth a lot more. So off we go. Okay, I realized that I didn't give you guys the haul of the gifting from the IKEA event. So this was just like the little kind of invite. It has the recipe for the Moroccan meatballs with peas, which I think was like the plant-based recipe that they were kind of like teaching us. And then it was a plant. It was like a little patch with seeds and they like put soil in it at the event that I watered. So it was a plant in this little pot and then like actual gardening tools. So there was that. There was the basket, of course, and then this apron. So this is the apron. It's just like a thin little apron. Growing a brighter future. There's no wash instructions or anything. So yeah, I think the best thing was the basket. I think they sell it at IKEA. Anyway, back to the vlog. Okay, we're checking out of our hotel this morning. It is just about checkout time. This is my little outfit of the day. Very like preppy. The dress is from Urban Outfitters. Oh, I look kind of tired. I don't know if I got enough sleep. I'm wearing my hair basically the same as I did last night, but like the look is completely different, so I don't think it matters. I think I'm gonna take some pictures like in the lobby and then we'll be off. So that's what we're up to. All right, we're on our way home. We are just driving back and Jade really wants Raising Cane's. And I'm like, okay, it's like the least we can do because my boyfriend Jade is driving right now. That's been such a good sport. It was his first time, I think I mentioned, coming to like influencer events and influencer things. So I'm like, okay, we can get you some fried chicken. That's fine. But we had a really good time. I went over to like an office today with an agency to take some content and get some products that I'm gonna make content with back at home. So yeah, so it was fun. But yeah, so we're on the drive back. Just gonna get some food. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.